question. So the first question is 3 consecutive numbers whose sum is 12. And your friends have given the answer 3, 4 and 5. Right? So why is it 3, 4 and 5? 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is giving you 12. And this is a very smaller number. So it's very easy for us to find it out. But in way of linear equations, if you assume the first smaller digit is x, then the next one will be x plus 1. And then the next one will be x plus 2. So the 3 consecutive numbers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2. So the sum of all these 3 is giving you 12. So it is 3x plus 3 is equal to 12. Or 3x is equal to 12 minus 3, which is 9, and x is equal to 3. So this is how you can arrive at the answer. The lowest number is 3. So the next number will be 3 plus 1, 4. And then the next one will be 3 plus 2, 5. So 3 consecutive numbers are 3, 4 and 5. Okay. If you have written the answers 3, 4 and 5, then you get 1 mark for this question. Question number 2. The share of A when rupees 25 is divided between A and B so that A gets 8 more than B is. What is the answer, ma'am?
Ma'am, I couldn't solve this sum, ma'am. Like,
Okay. See, share of A when 25 is divided between A and B. So how is 25 getting divided? One part is given to A. So I can assume A is getting a share of X. Okay, X rupees. Fine. And what is the share of B? B is getting 8 more than, or we can say if it is X for B, then X plus 8 is for A. Correct? So that A gets 8 more than B. Clear? So the sum total is given to be what? Sum of this two amount is nothing but 25. So now you have to find what is the share of B and then what is the share of A. Okay. So what is it? An amount is divided between A and B such that if in case B is getting X, then A is getting rupees 8 more than B. So when you add these two things, you should get it as 25. So it is 2x plus 8 is equal to 25. Yes, so what? 2x is equal to 25 minus 8. What is that you're getting? 17. Right?
yes, ma'am.
So what is x? X is 17 divided by 2 and you will get the answer as 8.5. So 8
Yes,
rupees
ma'am.
50 pies will be the share of B. Amount can be having a decimal value as well, right? So
Yes,
share
ma'am.
of
And
A
then
is asked in the question. So what is the share of A? It is
8.5
nothing but
plus 8.
8.5 plus 8. How much is it? 16.5 rupees. So the answer for this one is 16.5 in rupees you have to write. Okay, because here they have given it in rupees. Here also in answer you have to write it in rupees. If in case it's a fill in the blanks. MCQs, you need not bother about the units. So this carries 1 mark if you have written 16.5 as your answer. If you give any other answer, it's wrong. You don't get the complete 1 mark. Question number 3.
Ma'am, but
A term of an equation.
what?
The next question. A term of an equation can be transposed to the other side by changing its dash. What do you mean by this? A
By
term in
changing
an
its
equation. By changing its
sign.
sign. Exactly. See, if I have something like x plus 2 is equal to 0, how is that I can transpose it to the other side? By changing its sign. X is equal to what? Minus 2. Correct? Question number
Yes,
4.
ma'am.
For this one, it's 1 mark. On subtracting 8 from x. So 8 minus x. The result is 2. The result is 2. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 8. When it's transposed, it becomes plus 8. So 2 plus 8, it is 10. So what is the value of x? 10. For writing 10 as the answer, you get 1 mark for this question. Question number 5. X by 5 plus 30 is equal to 18. So solution. Solution is nothing but the value of x. How will you find? So x by 5 is equal to 18 minus 30 you will write. So x is equal to 18 minus 30 is minus 12. And this 5 when it goes the other side, it will go for multiplication because here it is in division. So 5 into 12 you will get it as what? 60. Correct? Huh? So what is the answer? Minus 60 will be the answer for this one. So x is equal to minus 60. So minus
Miss,
60 correct எழுதினா மட்டுமே you will get marks. If the minus sign is missing, you don't get any marks at all. Clear? Question number 6. When a number is divided by 8, the result is minus 3. The number is dash. So when a number is divided by 8, so x by 8, the result is minus 3. So what is the number? X is equal to 8 transpose to the other side will give you minus 3 into 8, which is minus 24. So answer is x is equal to what? Minus 24 for this number. So answer 1 mark for this particular answer. Question number 7. 9 is subtracted from product of P and 4. So what is the product of P and 4? It is 4P. 9 is subtracted from 4P. So 4P minus 9 and the result is 11. So is equal to 11. So what is P? 4P is equal to 11 plus 9, which will be 20, and P is equal to 20 divided by 4, which will be 5. So the answer for P is what? 5. If you have written the answer as 5, you score 1 mark for this. Question number 8. 2 by 5x minus 2 is equal to 5 minus 3 by 5x. You have to find x. So what is it? 2 by 5x. See, I have a 3 by 5x this side. When I take it to the other side, I'll get it as plus 3 by 5x is equal to, here I already have a 5. And this minus 2, if I take it to the other side, it becomes plus 2. So here one way simplify. LCM is the same, 5 it is. So on top you have 2x and 3x. So it will become 2x plus 3x is 5x is equal to 7 here. So what is it? 5 and 5 will get cancelled and you will get the answer for x to be what? 7. So what is the value of x? Answer is 7. If you get the answer of 7, then you can give 1 mark for this question. Okay. Question number 9. After 18 years, Swarnam will be 4 times as old as he is now. His present age is. So this is after 18 years. Let us take present age as x. So after 18 years, what will be the age? X plus 18. So what is the scenario they are saying? Swarnam will be, that is after 18 years, his age will be, that is x plus 18 will be 4 times as old as he is now. 4 times as old as his present age is what? X. So this is the relationship. So how will you solve this? You have to take the x to the other side. It becomes 4x minus x, which is 3x. So 18 is equal to 3x, or from this you will get x is equal to 18 by 3, which is 6. So answer, his present age is what? 6 years. So for finding the answer as 6 years, it is 1 mark for this 9th question. Question number 10. Convert the statement adding 15 to 4 times x is 39. So how will you convert this into a linear equation statement? What is the equation? Adding 15
Miss,
to 4
4x
times
15
x.
equals 39.
1 second, ma. Adding 15 to 4 times x. What is 4 times x? 4x. What is mean by adding 15? It is adding 15 to 4 times x. Is means is equal to 39. So what is it? To 4 times x, I'm adding 15 and that is giving me 39. So this is the equation. I need not solve this equation. They have asked you to convert it. So this statement they have asked you to convert into an equation. You are expected to write this as the answer and not the value of x. Okay. For this equation writing, it carries 1 mark. Clear? See, in subdivision 2, you have to solve for x. That is, you have to find the value of x. So what is given? Here it is 2x minus 3 divided by 4x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 5, 1 by 3. So first step, here in both the sides, you have everything totally in division. There is no more than one term. Here, this is one complete term which is in division, and here one complete term you have got. So what is that you can do? You can do a cross multiplication or transposition. So what will happen? You will take 3 to the other side. So you'll get 3 times 2x minus 3. Same way, when you take this 4x plus 5 to the other side, you will get it as 1 multiplied by 4x plus 5. So when you solve it, it will be 6x minus 9 is equal to 4x plus 5. And then this 4x goes the other side, it will be 6x minus 4x is equal to 5. And minus 9, when it comes this side, it becomes plus 9. So you'll get it as 2x is equal to 14 and x is equal to 7. So the answer for this one, x is equal to 7, if you have got it right, you get complete 2 marks for this question.
Ma'am,
So
I got the
in
answer
one,
as
we
8
have to
by
do
3.
the transposition. You will get 8 times x minus 1 is equal to 5x. So 8x minus 8 is equal to 5x. If you take the 5x the other side, you'll get it as 8x minus 5x is equal to, when this minus 8 goes this side, it becomes plus 8. So it is 3x is equal to 8, or x is equal to 8 divided by 3 will be our answer here. Okay, so the answer is 8 by 3. If you have got this right, then you get complete 2 marks for this. If in case step marks பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த transpose பண்ணது இதெல்லாம் கரெக்ட்டா அந்த ஏதாவது silly mistakes இருந்ததுன்னா you get only 1 mark. You won't get the complete 2 marks for that. Okay, coming to question number 3.
Excuse me, Miss, can you?
Question number 3. Here as well, it is a whole division. So whatever is there in the whole division, I can take it to the other side as a whole multiplication. So here in the numerator, I can process out these parts. See, I'm having a plus sign in between these two terms in the numerator. What is the first term? 5 times of 1 minus x. What is the second term in the numerator? 3 times of 1 plus x. So what will we do? We'll multiply. So 5 times 1 is 5 minus 5 times x is 5x. Again, this 3. So plus 3 times 1 is 3 plus 3 times x is 3x is equal to 8 times of, I'm taking this 1 minus 2x to the other side. I told you, right? So 1 minus 2x, we can write it here. So what will we get? This will be 8 minus 8 into 2x is 16x. When we simplify the terms over here, what is that you have? Minus 5x plus 3x. So I'll get minus 2x. Same way, this is plus 5 plus 3. So that is plus 8. Okay. So what is that you have in the left hand side? You have a minus 2. And here on the right side, you have a minus 16. I can take this minus 16 towards the left. What will I get? Minus 2x plus 16x is equal to, this 8, I'll hold it on here. And the other 8, if I take it to the other side, I'll get it as minus 8. Right? Because it's a plus 8, it becomes a minus 8. Here you will get it as 0. So this becomes 14x is equal to 0, or x is equal to 0 by 14. What is that you will get? You'll get the answer as 0. So x value is 0 in case of this problem number 3. See here as well, it is a whole division part. So you can just transpose it for multiplication. So this 5, I take it to the other side for multiplication. So 5 times 0.2x plus 5 is equal to, this term I take it to the other side for multiplication. So it is 2 times of 3.5x minus 3. So when you multiply 5 into 0.2 is what? 5 2 times 10. That point irukadanaala 1 vandrum. So you will get it as just 1x. Plus again 5 times, it is 25 is equal to, here 2 times 3.5 will be what? 7. Because 35 into 2 is 70. Point decimal place is there. When you move it, you will get it as 7. So this is 7x minus 2 times 3 is 6. So now upon simplifying, see, I'm having a bigger term on the right side for x. So this is 7x. I'm taking this x to that side. So I'll get it as 7x minus x, which is nothing but 6x. Same way, this 6, when I take it to this side, it becomes plus 6. So 25 plus 6. So the value is 31. Or x is equal to what? This 31. This 6, when it goes to the other side, it goes for division. So it is 31 divided by 6. So answer is 31 by 6. Even you can write it in an improper fraction. This is an improper. If you want, you can write it in a mixed fraction. Okay. This question carries 2 marks for solving for x. See, question number 5. Here we don't have a whole division term. Rather, you have 2 terms on the left side. M is one term. M minus 1 by 2 is another term, which is separated by a minus sign. Same way here on the right side also, you have 1 and m minus 2 by 3 to be the next term. Right? So you have 2 terms on the right hand side as well. So how is that you can simplify? First of all, you have to group them and then take the LCM, whatever. See, I have this term as m. This is also having an m term. This third term, second term on the right side, it also has m. Can I take the second term on the right side to the left side? Yes. And then we can take an LCM to group all the m terms together. Okay. That way you can proceed. Or straight away in the left hand side for these two numbers, I can take an LCM. What is it? 2. So what will happen here? I'll get it as 2m minus. This is already m minus 1. See, this minus sign is outside. It is not inside. So this is one complete term as such. So minus, you have to put these m minus 1 into brackets so as to get it clear. Okay, is equal to. Now I'm taking an LCM on the right side. It is 3. So this is 1 here. So it will become 3 1 times 3 minus of. Here as well minus of you have to place because this minus is for this whole number. Okay. So when you take it up, you take it as minus of m minus 2. So now simplify this minus sign. What is it? 2m minus m minus into plus, minus into minus, it's plus 1. Divided by 2 you will get, but keep it on hold. That division by 2, I can take it to the other side for multiplication. Same way, here it is divided by 3. If I take it to the other side, I take it for multiplication. Correct? Same way here we can take it for this 2, I can take it for multiplication. So what is that I have inside? This is 3 minus m, then minus into minus plus 2. Okay. Here I have 2m minus m. How is that I can write? 2m minus m is what? M plus 1 is equal to. Here again 2 times of. This is 3 plus 2. Correct? What is 3 plus 2? It is 5. And we have a minus m. So now I'm going to multiply 3 with m plus 1. So I'll get 3m plus 3 is equal to 2 with 5 minus m will give me 10 minus 2m. So
Is it
upon
2 by 5?
simplification, 1 second. So 3m and this 2m, if it goes the other side, it becomes plus 2m. So you'll get it as 5m is equal to this 3. If it goes the other side, it becomes minus 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7. So the value for m will become now 7 by 5. Correct? Answer is 7 by 5 for this question. Right. Your sixth question. So here we have some p terms. How many terms we have in whole? Either a term 4 times of, either 5 times of a term, 2 times of a term, 6 times of a term. First of all, in the all terms where you have got p in it. So what is that we can do? We can actually start multiplying and regrouping. So 4 3 times it's 12. So 12p plus 4 2 times 8 minus 5 6 times 30p minus 5 into plus 1 will be plus 5 is equal to, again this side 2p minus 16, right? Minus 6 7 times 42p minus into minus plus 6 4 times it is 24. Now you have to simplify, regroup all p terms towards the left or right. Towards the left. So what is that we already have here? 12p minus 30p. What is 12p minus 30p? It will become minus 18p. What is 8 plus 5? It is plus 13 is equal to, here again p, it is plus 2 and minus 42. So what will you get? It will be minus 40p. It is minus 16 plus 24. So that will be plus 8. So now take this p term to the other side. You will get 40p minus 18p. Correct? 40p minus 18p is equal to, if you take 13 to the other side, you will get 8 minus 13. So 40 minus 18, how much will you get? 40 minus 18, that is 22. So 22p is equal to what? Minus 5. Or p is equal to
So I
minus
got some
5 by
minus 5
22.
by 20. Yeah.
Yes, answer is minus 5 by 22 will be your answer. Question number 7. See, it is 3 times 5x. So this is 15x minus 3 7 times 21 plus 18x minus 22 is equal to 4 8s are, it is 32x minus 4 7 times it is 28 minus 111. So now grouping all x terms together, 5x plus 18x, what will you get? It is 33x minus, here again when you add minus 21 and minus 22, you'll get it as minus 43 is equal to, on the right side you have 32x. When you add up these two things together, you get it as minus 139. So when you transpose the x to the other side, you will get 33x minus 32x is equal to, here it is minus 139. When this minus 43 goes to the other side, it becomes plus 43. So you'll get x is equal to minus 139 plus 43, you get it as minus 96. So what is the answer? Minus 96 is the answer for this one. Okay. For this one, it is minus 16. You have to multiply it with 5x. So how will you do the multiplication? Minus 16 into 5, what is it? It is 16 5 times 80. So decimal place 2 you will get it as 0.8x minus. Again, 16 2 times it is 32. So decimal place 2 times when you push it, it is 0.32 is equal to 0.4x plus 7. So you have to group the x terms together. So 0.8x minus 0.4x is equal to 7 plus 0.32. Okay. So when you add it up, when you subtract these two values, you'll get it as 0.4x because 0.8 minus 0.4 is 0.4 is equal to
Is it 1.83?
7.32. So x is equal to 7.32 divided by 0.4. You can multiply by 10 and divide by 10. You get it as 73.2 divided by 4. So you can divide it and your answer will be 18.3 will be your answer. Okay. So the next part of the session, we will discuss it in the next class, wherein we'll be discussing the word problems correction.
Okay. Okay.